Installing Windows operating system on your computer involves a few key steps. There is a general guide to help you through the process. First of all, you need to back up all your essential data from your current system, and secondly, you need to decide which Windows operating version would you like to use on your computer. For example, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. And thirdly, you need a USB flash drive which has space less than 16 GB, and we need a bootable software. The software name is Rufus, so don't worry, I'm gonna show you whole process. I hope you will stay with me the full video. Hopefully this video is very helpful to you who are wanting to install Windows on your Mac computer. So let's dig into the video. Now I am downloading Windows 11 ISO file from the Microsoft official website www.microsoft.com. Select Windows Multi-Edition. We need to select the product language. So I choose the English United States. So you can select your desired language from the list, no problem. Then we need to select Windows x64-bit. Give allow to download. Finally, it's downloading. Keep in mind it takes some time because it's a large file. In the meantime, we have to download a bootable software. The software name is Rufus. Always make sure download the latest version of Rufus software. It is interesting fact that this software is totally free and easy to use as well as easy to download also. Oh yes, I have downloaded all essential files. Now time to make a bootable USB pen drive. For making a bootable pen drive, we need to support a Windows-based computer instead of macOS because Rufus software only support Windows operating system. So now I transfer all downloaded files to my Windows computer. Copying is done. Now open the Rufus software and drag and drop the ISO file to Rufus tool. Partition scheme keep GPT. And you can change it volume level as Windows 11 Pro. And click start now. It's automatically create a bootable pen drive. It takes time. In that time, you can partition your MacBook SSD also. Partition is done. After finished making bootable disk, we need to insert bootable pen drive to your MacBook and restart your MacBook and press the option key from the keyboard until see the pop-up. Select the pen drive icon and hit the enter. How to install driver after installing Windows on Mac. Last video we have already showed how to install Windows on Mac computer, and this is the second part. After installing Windows on Mac, we must need to install driver for better performance or user experience. So I'll show you how to install bootcamp or driver software step by step and other essential process. Hopefully this video gonna be more helpful for you who are already using Windows on Mac. So without any further delay, let's begin to the video. Make sure subscribe the channel and give a like if this video is helpful for you. Okay, first we need to download bootcamp software from Apple Support, and you can also easily download from below the video description link, and I already downloaded the file. Now time for installing the software. So go to the bootcamp software folder and install, run as an administrator. Click next. It takes times. Click restart after installing. So I'm going to restart my computer now. I'm using bootcamp 6.0, which is latest version now, and now I'm going to configure bootcamp from the bootcamp control panel. Here you can see Mac OS and Windows OS. You can select your default OS and you can configure your keyboard, adjust keyboard backlight brightness, you can configure trackpad also. Then click OK. Configure display settings. Click here and type 175 for the better viewing angle. Then click sign out. Here you can see now visible. Everything is visible right now.